Have you ever wanted to look under the hood of your competition's Amazon listing? Well, you can do exactly just that with the back-end Amazon URL that I am about to show you. So if you want to know what this URL is, I suggest you to stay tuned. I'm Rick Wong, an Amazon seller and the founder of SellerMetrics, an Amazon PPC agency. And if you enjoy content such as this, where we do deep dives on Amazon FBA, news, tips, and hacks, I suggest you to subscribe. Okay, so this particular URL, I learned about this like 3 years ago. I've been using it ever since. I kind of forgotten about it because I haven't launched a new product for a long while. And this URL allows you to basically spy on the back end data of your competition. I will show you what the URL is, and also will show you how I actually use it. There's a lot of data within the back end. So, you could take a look in more detail on the data and see how you could actually apply it yourself, right? Because there's a lot of information in there. So without further ado, this is the backend link. So what you can change here in this backend URL link is the ASIN. So basically you can pop in a different ASIN, and basically you also change the marketplace. When you change the marketplace, basically you change the marketplace information. If it's a marketplace that is not English, where the primary language is English, the backend information will be a language of whatever the marketplace primary language is. So if I change it to DE, it would change it to German. Okay, so basically I am looking at backend information of this ASIN. So let's just say from the beginning, let's say I'm launching a cat condo, right? And this is how I would actually use it personally. So a cat condo, I would look into an ASIN that is ranking #1 organically. So this one right here, I can see Amazon choice for cat condo. So let's see what they're doing well, right? Let's look behind the hood of this particular listing. So you can see first thing that I would look at is actually the search term of the listing. So you can see the information here: cat, tree, scratching, post. These are very relevant keywords to the products. So if I were to sell this product, these keywords are used for me to kind of ideate what the actual optimal title and also bullet points would be. And I could do research on this ASIN and also other ASINs that are dominating this particular category. Another way that I use this, I also look into its product category that's currently selling it. If I go to item type and look into the second results for the item type, I can see that currently it is situated in the cat trees category. If I'm selling this product, I also want to be situated in this category because it seems to be the main category for this particular niche of products. Just make sure that your SEO is on point, your category is on point. Just basically it's the same category as the categories leaders of that space. Another thing that I would use it for is actually size. So if I actually look into a product, so if I type search products, so you can actually look at the package. So there we go, package length, package width, weight. So this information I could use to estimate what my potential FBA fees might be, so it could give me a better accurate on the potential P&L of the product I'm selling. So this is another way that I can use the data, the backend information here. Another type of backend information is that you can look into is basically the URL of the main images. Right, you can basically maybe use that to give you some ideas on what your main images should be. Take in all the main images and ideate what your top 5 main image and A+ content could be, right? And also you could also see the bullets. Yeah, there you go. So you can see the bullets, right? This is some information you can take away from this back end URL. Another way that I can use it is that let's just say I'm launching a product in a marketplace that is non-English speaking. Basically, I want to do kind of a keyword research on what the main keywords are, let's just say in Spanish, and if I launch it in Amazon Mexico, right? Because since Spanish is not my primary language, I have no idea what is the main keyword for this particular product. So this gives me a way to kind of allow me to do initial research on what is the keyword is for this particular product in the marketplace where the primary language is Spanish. So let's just do a quick research here. So let's just say a cat condo in Spanish, right? So that would be this one, right? This word right here. So if I go to Amazon Mexico, let's just search for the top selling ASIN for this particular keyword. Let's look at one with that with a decent amount of review. So this one's Amazon choice. You can't go wrong with that. Let's look into the back end. First, we need to toggle to correct marketplace. Then what you're going to do is that on the backend URL, you're going to replace the ASIN with the ASIN that we've researched on the Mexico marketplace. And then you're going to change the domain to the Mexican marketplace and then press enter. There you go. So you can see like all these like words are in Spanish now. So you can actually see like the search terms in Spanish. So like the first thing that we can search for is the search term. So you can see like the Spanish search term here. So this gives you an idea of like what to use if you actually like create like a listing in Spanish in Mexico. Basically allows you to do your initial research on that particular marketplace. Okay, so in terms of the actual link, I will not paste the actual direct link in the description, but I will have a link for you to basically enter your email, and I would give you the actual exact URL of this backend link. I don't, want to like put it out there too publicly. This is a pretty good hack. I just, hope that, if I put it out there, Amazon would not close it down right after. So just minimize the number of people using it. Hopefully that this particular link would stay live for a while. Okay, so that's basically it. I hope that the people that watch this video can make use of this back end to kind of help their Amazon selling and also their Amazon SEO. So as I mentioned, if you want the URL, I would link it in the description below with kind of like an email capture. I'll send you the URL itself without having to just copy the actual URL on the screen here. So I hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you're looking to grow your Amazon business via Amazon PPC, please feel free to schedule a call with me. I love to talk to brands of all sizes, and let's strategize how we could actually grow your Amazon business together. So until the next video drop, happy selling.